I'm going to show you how you can use AI to create simple scripts like a collectible. First thing we're going to do is prompt an AI like ChatGPT on what we want to get done. So first thing, we need to ask it a question or give it a prompt. And we want to say, write a Unity 6 script to collect an item when the player touches it and increase a counter. Keep it simple, because I've seen in the past that it makes it too complex or it just doesn't end up working. So let's keep it simple and see what it comes up with. So first thing we have to do, first thing it does is it generates a script and gives us a set of instructions. We need to attach the script to an object, add a collider box and mark it as a trigger, ensure the player game object has a player tag, and when the player touches it, increase the item count, print the item count to the console. So we should see it in the log and it should destroy it. So what we need to do is copy this name, this script name, and we are going to create a new script, create script, and we're going to paste that new name in there because you want it exactly as what the script is called. I'm going to go back over to ChatGPT and we're going to copy the rest of the script, and we will open it in a second. Okay, so that's compiled. Let's open up the script, Control A, delete it, Control V. We're going to save that. We're going to go back into Unity. And when you do this, I'd recommend reading through the script and trying to understand what it actually does. So now what do we need to do? We need to have an object in the scene where the player walks through it and it collects it, right? So we're in area 1. Let's create a 3D object. A sphere will work fine. We're going to shrink it down to 0.5, half the size, and let's just move it a little bit further away. Okay, we'll make it a little taller. Okay, so now we're on the sphere, so we need to bring over the item collect script that we created. So it's on the object. And we need to mark the sphere collider as is trigger. That's important. Otherwise, you'll collide into it and it won't ever activate. We need to be able to walk through it. So let's press play and see if this works. Okay, so we're getting started, and if it works, we should see down in the console down below as count increased to 1. Object disappears and items collected is 1, so it works. Okay, so there you go. That's a simple way on how you can use AI to speed up your game production by writing little scripts. I would highly recommend not relying on this completely, but you can use it to learn. You can use it to speed up your production. I would not build out a full game like this. I would not build complex systems like this, at least not yet. AI is not quite there yet, and it gets confused pretty quickly. But to speed up production, AI is a great tool, and it should be utilized to help you speed up your time. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.